how to generate video ideas for YouTube on WriteSonic. In order to do that, just head over and click on this video option right here. And then once you have done that, it will show you this. Let's click right here on video ideas. And for example, for this one, let's put in here how to videos about wigs. So I will use this for my channel. And then in here, let's put in here this case. And then for this one, let's click on next. Then you can put in here your target audience. Like for example, let's put in here professionals. Now click on next right here. And then once you have done that, this will provide you with this. Like this specific Wix features that you want to actually put. Like for example, let's put in here AI related. And let's also put in here this e-commerce tools as well as website builder, SEO features. Now click on this next right here, and then you can put in here your video format. For example, for this one, I'll head over and using your screen recordings. So I'll head over and click on this generate right here. Now for this case, let's just wait for this to actually finish the video idea process. And then it will show us this 10 engaging how-to videos. Now this will actually provide you with the actual title, but you can also rewrite it later if it is not how-to based. And you can also put in here the description. So the description right here can also be used as a description for your actual YouTube video that you will create with this particular video idea. So that's how you generate video ideas for YouTube on WriteSonic. Hope we helped.